Hello everyone, thank you very much because you choose my video. Today already I go make ملوخية. If anyone not know what's the ملوخية, this is the ملوخية. We go already make it today with the chicken. We can go direct, see the recipe. This is very easy and very Egyptian. We can see the recipe together. Okay, today already we make it 3 parts. This part here, this because we after finish the chicken we go fries the chicken. And here this is white flour, this is corn flour, and here have half teaspoon camel, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, 3 eggs, and also this is breadcrumbs, and this is a chicken. This is already I buy 2 thigh, and I already wash it very nice, wash it in vinegar with salt in the water, and I cut it like that because I like to make a stock in this because we use this as a stock for ملوخية. Okay, this here, this is 1 onion, only I take the cover out. This is for the stock, for the chicken, and yeah, also 1 spoon salt. If you not like to do salt, whatever you like, but all the salt for the ملوخية need to be in the soup, in the stock, the chicken stock. This is already 1 teaspoon black pepper, yeah, and this leaves, yeah, this lauri, like some countries say. Okay, and you need to have butter, yeah, this for the ملوخية, and you need to have oil. This is because when we go fries, and this part here, this is for only the ملوخية. I not like you. I hope everyone can not mix everything together like that. We say here, this is together like that. This is for the soup. This is like that for ملوخية, and this because we fries. Why I use the corn flour? Because if I mix it with the white flour, this is make the chicken a little bit crunchy. Okay, now we go start. I have here 1 normal pan. We do inside 1, 2 spoon butter, and maybe also I make a little bit light because everyone can see better. Make the butter hot. And after that after this is go hot, I do the chicken in, make it only take color, and after that I do water inside and all the spices. Maybe I stop because this is still not hot and also can be take time. Maybe after I do the chicken, I back to you. Okay, now already you can see I already only do small color in the chicken because yeah, let's still have the blood inside and this all, and also make the taste for the stock more better, for the soup more better. And after that we already start go with the 1 onion and all the spices. And after that go with the water inside. The onion, you not cut it, we only need to have only the taste for the onion. We not need the onion inside the ملوخية, only the taste, like that. And we leave it. After this cooked, I come back. But I like to say something. You not need to make it only with the chicken. You can make it also with meat. You can make it also without meat and out the chicken, only with the stock, the Maggi stock. This is the square one. You can make it whatever you like, because sometimes have people not like a chicken, sometimes have people, but the most Egyptian make it with a chicken, honest. Okay, after this finish, I come back for you. Okay, now after we already now have soup, we can go together like this. Okay, we'll do this one. I need to open Molokhia. Already normally this frozen, but now this is not go cook this frozen. Wait till this not frozen anymore and you start use it. Go cut it with scissor. Now I open it, and now we do it all here like that. and I use mug because you understand how much soup you do in. I think mug. Something like this one. First we open the best small fire I have and take the soup. One, I did one, and see, we need more or not. We melt it inside. The best necessary thing, never cover the pan, because if you do the cover for the pan, you fill this. This is neat. Another one. Like that, I do 2 mugs again. And not leave it cooked. Maybe we do half more. Like that, I do 2.5 mugs. I make the fire low. We wait till this already start go cooked like that. See with me here. Like that. This is not difficult recipe. This easy and everyone can make it easy himself. I not like stop the video because you can see exactly how you do it, because this is necessary part. When this is start to go cooked like that, you already stir it. Don't leave it cooked. Like that. See? Do like that. We go direct this time. Okay, now you can see this not have foam anymore. This does not have foam anymore here. Like that, this is more than enough. I take it out and I not cover the pan. Not cover the pan. If you cover the pan, you make this fill. This all ملوخية fell down and already the stock up. Okay, we go make the test. This part I do now, this all the test for the ملوخية. What we go do, we already do here 2 spoons butter, 2 spoons butter, and open the fire. After we open the fire, we do the first the garlic down. This one is spoon garlic. This garlic, but I mush it. This one. We start with the garlic, go a little bit red. We go inside with coriander. Now this will start to go a little bit red. We already go with the coriander inside. Smells very nice. And after that we go direct inside here. And we take, do like that, and take little here. Do it like that. Now we already finished the ملوخية. Now we go in the part, the chicken. Now this now okay. When this is still hot, please not cover it. Okay, I do ban. I already do ban in the fire and do the oil in and start to go together. Make the chicken crunchy and too sweet and nice. And also the ملوخية, if you like, you can also eat it with Egyptian rice. This is also, I make this recipe in my channel. After I finish this whole video, you can already see this with the 4 videos in the screen. Okay, after the oil go hot, I come back. Okay, now already I did the oil in the fire, yeah, and already we come here. I already make the eggs and mix these two together. This is not difficult and not take time. We do it like that. We take the chicken, do it here like that. And after that, go direct here. Like that. Easy peasy. Make it nice, very nice. Yeah, and after that we take it again in the eggs. Like that, and after that go direct here. This almost already you make it like you bring it in famous restaurants. Yeah. And after that we take it out like that, and we do it nice. We can see if the fire, okay, the oil go hot or not. Still. Okay, we make another one. This one. This not take time. This is I normally make it more faster than this, but because I show you and I like you do it perfect, because for me not only I like make video, I like teach you and like you make food taste nice. Make it like that. We do the eggs everywhere. Make this up, this down, and this in oil. Maybe you make the fire a little bit up, and we start do this also now. Everywhere, you don't see any eggs in it anymore. Okay, and after that we do all in the same way and do it in there. And after I finish everything, I come back free. Okay, now I finish everything. You see, I take it out, this look like that. See, this is very nice and very crunchy. See how this look. And we can also serve the Molokhia. I'm sure it's not warm anymore. This is the Molokhia. This is the chicken, like the Egyptians say, الهنا والشفا. Thank you very much because you watch my video. If you like my video, please not forget to subscribe and like, and not forget the bell. And see you next dish. Bye bye.